Today I will explain how to buy shares of Aardvark Therapeutics Inc. Aardvark Therapeutics is a clinical stage biotech company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AARD. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy AARD, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically verify your identity with a valid ID, and you must add funds before placing an order. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker AARD to find the listing. Select the result that specifically names Aardvark Therapeutics Inc. to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and view the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the page shows Aardvark Therapeutics Inc. on NASDAQ with the ticker AARD before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example platform link and more details, check the description below.